children, are you ready to start another fantastic phonics? Great, do you have your pencil and paper ready for later? Wonderful, let's get going. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, I want you to listen to some instructions that I'm going to give you. Be careful because I'm going to sound talk some of the words, so you need to be listening carefully. Should we give it a go? Okay, so can you stand on one leg? I'll say it again. Can you stand on one leg? Are you doing it? What did I say? Can you stand on one leg? Oh, just about. Okay, let's try another one. Listening carefully. Can you raise an arm? Listen again. Can you raise an arm? Are you doing it? What did I ask you to do? Can you raise an arm? Brilliant. Okay, let's try one more. Can you rub your tummy? Can you rub your tummy? Can you rub your tummy? That's right. Well done. Are you rubbing it? Brilliant. Okay, so now we've had some listening. Let's go on and revise all of our phonemes. So let's have a look. Remember, can you say the sounds that you see? See if you can say them before I do. Let's go. Z, ng, x, a, ch, e. Remember, show me those tongues. Or it can be th. Remember, th for think or th for them. J, ow, I, v, e, a, w, ow, I, you, or it can be oo, qua, yeah. Or remember, it can be e at the end of the word, like foggy, silly. Or a, z, e, r, o, sh, oo, or it can be or, oi, o, ear, oi, you, or it can be oo, I, w, or, air, your, you, or it can be oo, ow. Now we were looking at ow yesterday, can you remember? Okay, so what I'd like you to do today is can you write me our digraph ow? Remember it's two letters making one sound and we're going to pop a sound button underneath it and the sound button we need is a sausage. That's right. Write me the digraph ow. Leave a space. Can you write it for me again? Ow. Don't forget to pop that sound button underneath. And let's try it again. Leave a space and write me the digraph ow. Great. Now remember, this is our alternative grapheme, our alternative spelling of the ow sound. Okay, let's sound and blend some words with our ow digraph in it. Are you ready? Here we go. See if you can sound talk it to me first. I'll do it with you. Cloud, cloud. Well done. Let's try this one. You do it first. I'll do it with you. Found, found. Well done. Here we go. Sound, sound. I could hear a sound in the distance. Are you blending them when you get to the end? Brilliant. Let's do this one. Out, scout. You do it? I'll join in. Proud, proud. Here we go. You do it? I'll join in. Out, out. See if you can do this one on your own. Do it together. Out, about. Brilliant. Okay, let's try this one. You do it first. Out, sprout. Did you get it right? Fantastic. Okay, should we break this one up? Let's try it. Did you get it? Let's do it together. Loud, loud, est, est, loud, est, loudest. Did you get that one right? Wonderful. Let's try this one. Mount, ain, tain, mountain, mountain. Well done. And we're back to the beginning. Fantastic. Okay, now what we're going to do, we are going to look at some words containing both graphemes of the owl. Okay, so is it this grapheme, owl, or this grapheme, owl? Okay, so with your paper and your pencils, I'd like you to split your page into two. One side, I'd like you to write me this grapheme for owl, and the other side, this grapheme for owl. And if you want, pop a sound button underneath. Have you done that? Wonderful. So I'm going to say a word, and I'd like you to write down the word either using this grapheme or this grapheme. Which one do you think looks right? If you want, you can write it under both and cross out the one you think looks wrong. Shall we have a go? Okay, so the first word is town. Town. Sound talk town to me. Town. Town. Do you think town should be written with the OW or the OU? Have a go. Town. Should we see which one's right? Let's have a look. Town or town? Which one do you think's right? Shall we check? Yes, it's using the OW. Town. Did you get it right? Great. Give it a tick. The next word is out. Out. Sound talk out to me. Out. Out. Do we use the OW or the OU? Which one do you think looks right? Write it down. Should we check? Yes, out using the OU. Did you get it right? Fantastic. Let's try another one. Brown, brown. Let's sound toolkit. B-r-ow-n, brown. It's got 4 phonemes. Is it using the OW or the OU? Brown. Ready? Have you written it down? Brown. Should we check to see? Okay. Is it brown or brown? Which one do you think? It's OW. Did you get it right? Fantastic. Let's try another one. Sound. Sound. Let's sound toolkit. S-ow-nd. Sound. 4 phonemes. Which one is it? Sound using OW or sound using OU? Write it down. See which one you think is right. Sound. Should we have a look? Does it use the OW or the OU? Which one did you think was right? Let's check. Yes, it's using the OU grapheme, isn't it? Sound. Here we go. Cloud. Cloud. Sound toolkit to me. Cloud. 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 Which one are you going to write it under? Is it OW or OU? Cloud. Don't forget sound toolkit to your paper to help you. Should we have a look, see which one's right? Does that look right? Cloud. What does this look right? Cloud. Which one did you put? Yes, it's the OU grapheme, isn't it? Cloud. Well done. Okay, one more. Powder. Powder. Let's sound toolkit. Powder. Powder. 4 phonemes. Powder. Which one is correct? Is it the OW or the OU? Sound toolkit to your paper as you write it. If you want, you can pop the sound buttons underneath. And if you've written it in both, cross out the one you think looks wrong. Powder. 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 Should we see which one's right? Is it OW or OU? Which one do you think? Powder using the OW. Powder. Powder. Did you get the correct digraph for the at the end? Brilliant. Oh, you're so good at this. Fantastic. Okay, what I'd like you to do now, I would like you to write me a sentence, okay? So, I'm going to get my pad, my board and my pen, and here is the sentence. Listen carefully. I can shout the loudest. I can shout the loudest. Now, we are using the alternative OU digraph for our spellings. So, I can shout the loudest. Remember how we have to write that sentence? Capital letters, finger spaces between the words, and a full stop at the end. Are you ready? I can shout the loudest. See if you can have a go. I'm going to have a go too. Nice capital I. New word, so we leave a space. I can. I can. New word, leave a space. I can shout. I'm going to sound talk this to my paper. Shh. Ow. Sh out. I can shout. I can shout the. We all know how to spell the. The. I can shout the. New word. Leave a space. Loudest. Now let's break that word up. Loudest. So I'm going to write loud first. Ooh, ow, d. Ooh, oud, est. Est. Loudest. And remember, full stop at the end. See if you can read your sentence that you've written. I can shout the loudest. Brilliant. Did you get that all written down? Fantastic. Maybe you can read it to your parents later. Okay, are you ready? Let's move on. Okay, we're going to do a bit of reading now. So, it says at the top, which sentence describes the picture? Have a look at the picture. What do you think they're doing? I wonder how you would describe that picture. Maybe you can write your own sentence later. Let's have a look at our sentences, shall we? Why don't you have a read first? Remember, use your sounds to help you if there's words you need to sound talk them, blend them, and then read the sentence again. Shall we read it together? He can pick a pink flower. I'm going to read it again. He can pick a pink flower. Do you think that sentence describes our picture? Should we have a look at the next one? See if you can read it to yourself. Can I hear you? Shall we do it together? Oh, one of our tricky words. They can see a black rain cloud. Let's read it again because I had to sound talk a few of those words. They can see a black rain cloud. Which one do you think describes the picture? Read it to me. Did you get it right? Yes. They can see a black rain cloud. Brilliant. Good reading. Fantastic. Let's move on to our high frequency words. I've added some new ones in today. Now remember, we need to say these as quickly as we can. I wonder if you can say them before I do. Don't worry if you need to sound talk them. That's fine. Here we go. Are you ready? Them. Them. Do you think you can write me the word them? I'm going to hide it now. Them. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you write it? Did you get the correct digraph at the front, at the beginning? Showing me your tongue. Why don't you cover it over and write it again? Them. Them. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Them. Give it a tick if you got it right. Let's go on. Back. Now. Get. And. With. Down. See. He. Then. Is. All. Of. Can you write me the word of? Ready? I'm hiding it. Of. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you get it right? Great. Let's carry on. Will. As. My. They. His. Can. Are. We are having fun. Are. Could you write me the word are? I'm going to hide it. Are. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you get it right? Great. Let's cover it up and we're going to write it again. Are. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Are. Give it a tick if you've got it right. Brilliant. Well, that's it, children. We have finished our fantastic phonics lesson. You've worked really hard again today. Well done. Give yourself a marshmallow clap. I hope you have a fantastic day. Remember, carry on working hard. Be the best you can be. And I'm going to see you tomorrow for phonics. Bye-bye.